Hello and welcome to me IRL r/me IRL. Okay, let's react to some memes. Let's see what's going on in the world, and let's see how the world is progressing in different ways using the power of memes. Because I don't want to look at news. Wolfie, do you want to look at news? I know, right? He doesn't want to look at news either. No, you don't want to look at those either. Sicko. Me IRL. Birth. Expectations and reality. Birth, grow up and enjoy life. In the middle, you kind of have a little bit of midlife crisis. You buy a motorcycle, you buy a Corvette, you buy you take a private jet to Italy a couple times, and then you retire and then you enjoy life. Reality. Ah! Life's what you make it. But me IRL. It's on. Anyway, why are you doing this? Please come home. Your father and I are heartbroken. First of all, how do you find out that your kid is in this industry? Second of all, you have to go into the site just to leave that comment. And three, this is probably just a troll trying to do it. But they had to make an account to leave the comment. Now, if I should be reacting to stuff on the black and orange site, maybe we'll call it Halloween site. Halloween site. Sure. Me IRL. When you try to spread cold butter on toast. That's kind of the reason I don't eat toast. Ooh, I wonder what happens if you put toast on top and then nuke it. No, not nuke. Nuke it bad. You nuke it! No. No, actually, okay. Here's what, okay. I lived alone for a long time. If you can buy bread, margarine, or butter, doesn't matter. Buy some jam, and then spread margarine on both sides of the bread. Put the jam in the middle. You could also put whatever you want. Like if you want, you can put peanut butter, jam, or whatever. But you can do whatever you want there. And then put it on a pan. And then you almost have like those things that you make during camping. Me IRL. Me trying to unstick my balls mid-walk. I think we need to make it so that we can normalize people just being able, like, it's to unstick whatever they need to unstick. If girls need to adjust their stuff, let them adjust it. If girls need to adjust their underneath part, let them adjust it. We're all humans. We have, and we're basically all we were put on this earth naked, basically. So, we were given these clothes made by man. Is this going to sound crazy? Yes, it is. Do I care? No, because I'm a hippie. Our bodies are basically meant to be kind of just like flopping around and just to be ready. So I think just because our clothes and stuff like that are man-made means that we should, as man or woman, should be able to just adjust and fix whatever they need. Like, even if you're in the middle of New York or whatever there, you should be able to be allowed to do whatever you want. Or not whatever you want, because it's just like, I want to adjust my balls at this moment. It's just like when you have to scratch down there, it's just like, I don't want to. My body's telling me I need to itch, so it's just like, okay, I'll itch. I meant my leg when I meant down there. What do you think I was talking about? Me IRL. You're never keeping a secret in nights like these. Yeah. If there's wine out there, secrets are being revealed, but I don't think they'll be understood. So anyways, I'm telling Roger that that we needed to buy milk and cheese, and and, and he needs to buy it today. And he did. And everybody else is like, what the? I'm rolling out!